Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Thank you for tuning in today's video. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Osai. Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I apply on my natural hair. Yes, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I apply on my natural hair. This is just 4 months old natural hair. Like, I'm loving the way my hair look, like the way it's growing, the way it's thick, and like it has the hair itself knows that the hair has life. Seriously. So after losing my hair, I moisturize my hair with aloe vera. I keep it for like 20 minutes and wash it out. After washing it out, I add aloe vera cream, so I apply it on my hair, and it has really been working for my hair. Not just making my hair grow, it's also making my hair soft, like soft. I know the kind of hair I have. If I lose my hair, it's kind of hard, and then whenever I comb it, I always feel this headache, like my head hurts for like day. I feel headache whenever I comb my hair. But since I started applying this hair cream and started moisturizing my hair with aloe vera, I noticed there's a big change. Even my edge, now I can feel it, that is really coming out. Like, seriously, it's coming out. If you can see how it is, it's coming out, and I'm so loving it. So I decided to share with you guys what I do to my hair. So if you want to know, please stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Yes, like nowhere. All right guys. Before wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. Thank you. So guys, you'll be needing your cutting board, your knife, spoon, bowl. Here is my coconut oil and my extra virgin oil. So I'm going to be dicing the aloe vera, but you want to make sure if you're using the aloe vera, because what I'm using is aloe vera plant, that's why it's so tiny. But it's still gonna do its work. So you want to make sure you wash the aloe vera, and then you cut those sharp side, you cut it out, and then you dice it. So that's just what you're gonna do. Yeah, so after dicing the aloe vera, I went ahead to put my pot on fire. I don't mind the pot, and then 2 spoons of coconut oil, and then olive oil, 1 cup of olive oil. I mix them together, and then I pour my aloe vera on inside the pot. I left it for about some minutes just to make sure it's ready. Of course, when it's ready, you know, because the back of the aloe vera will turn brown instead of green. So here is ready at this point. I'm just going to let it to get cold so I can sieve it out, because right now it's very hot. So after that, I went ahead and then sieve it. So here is how the aloe vera look like. After that, I had to put it in a container. So you can use any container of your choice. Why I'm using this particular one is because most times the coconut oil gets cold, and then it's going to be so difficult for me to bring it out from the tiny mouth. So I prefer using this one. So here is my aloe vera oil ready to use. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Tell me your experience, what your experience is on aloe vera. Like I've been using it for like 4 months, and this is how it has helped my hair to grow. Not just making my hair to grow, but also making it very, very soft, very, very soft. So just tell me what you think about your experience down below on the comment section, and I'll be so happy to hear from you guys. I hope you subscribe. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, also share to your friends. You can recommend your friends, tell your friends, tell your family. If you have anyone who has been having challenges of hair growth, you can tell them to try this method. As it works for me, I believe it's also going to work for them as well. So bye, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.